Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna discuss with you um, the point of how I'm gonna manage my business and my school or my studies, and how I'm gonna try to balance between both sides simply. So if you don't know, this year will be my first year in high school. So this year will be in another school, like in a new school for me. So this school simply is kind of restricted when it comes to its rules, its type or kind of um, style simply. It's not like the normal style of schools that I used to go. So this one, you can't miss a day without going. Like, you can't be absent any day, literally. Like, every day you must go. There is a specific time for it, like from around 7 and a half a.m. until 3 and a half p.m. So it's kinda 8 hours, I think, every single day. Like, I must go to school every single day for around 8 hours without a day missing. Like, we just have Friday and Saturday. These 2 days are just the holiday, or simply 3 days we can't do anything without school. So now I'm kinda obligated to go to school and I can't miss it. So it will be hard, of course, to manage my business with these kind of restricted rules when it comes to school. So I tried to think of many solutions how I'm gonna manage my business and keep it going with the same flow and better, as long as like being decent at school, not the best. Like, for me, I don't want to be the best when it comes to school and studies. Like, when I'm saying that to my mother, like, she's kinda, no, like, do your best. You're good. You can do it. I know that I can do it when it comes to school. Like, I know my abilities. If I want to get extremely high grades and be the best, I will be the best. It's not hard for me, and I know that. Like, for me, I know that it's not hard. I know my abilities and what I'm gonna do, or what I can do and what I can't do simply. So when it comes to school, I can easily get amazing grades if I just focus enough on it. So in my current stage, I'm not focusing on it. Like, it's all about focus. The thing that you are focusing on and putting your efforts in, of course you will get good results in it. So if I'm putting much effort and focus on school and on studies, I know that I'm gonna get the best grades. Like, I'll be the first. Really. But it's not my focus. I don't want that. I can do it, but I don't want it. So when I'm saying that to anyone around me or something like that, they feel like, man, you can do it. Why not? So they don't understand the point or the concept of focus. Maybe they understand, but they don't want to be bad at school or just get in decent results. They want the best, and I know that. Like, I appreciate it, but it's not for me. I'm not saying I'm gonna drop out from school and all of that. No, I'm continuing my studying journey and school journey. At least school, when it comes to college, it's a different story. Like, when we come to it, like, it's still in the future. But at least the school, like 90%, I'm gonna continue. I will not drop out or anything like that. But when it comes to focus and getting the results in it, I will not get the best results. For me, I'm not focused on it. So simply, yeah, I'm focusing now on the thing that will solve my problem simply. So I have a problem. Will school and studies solve it? The answer is no. Really, the answer is no. I have a problem. This problem will be solved by school or being the best uh, in my school. No, I'll be the best after a couple of time or some time. Okay, what's next? The next year need to be the best. Okay, what else? Like, will it solve my problem? The answer is no. So I'm focusing on the thing that will solve my problem, which is business. And my current focus is business, my agency, building my agency, trying to make some money, take care of everything as like as I can. I'm trying my best. But yeah, I will not focus on school more than what I'm doing. I love to do everything on my own. Like, I love to think um, on my own rules, on my own um, kind of thinking. So I don't like anything else to distract me, you know. So now, how I'm gonna manage between school and business? As I said, this school that I'm gonna go to is restricted, hard conditions, and all of that. So, how I'm gonna do it? I'm thinking of a specific protocol. It's kinda simple, but I don't know if it will work or not, because I still need to try it first. But I'm thinking of it. So what is this protocol? This protocol is going to school from 7:30 until 3:30 p.m. So it's around 8 hours. Like, we have 24 hours. 8, 8, 8, right? So we have 8 for school. Okay, done. We have another 8 for sleeping, which I don't think that I'm gonna sleep 8 hours. Like, I don't know. I don't think that really. Like, most of the days, I don't think that I'm gonna sleep full 8 hours, you know. Maybe 6, maybe 7, maybe 5 sometimes. I don't know. Really, I don't know. It will depend on my working hours and what should I do and getting things done and all of that. So the first 8 hours is for school. Okay, this is done. We have 8 hours for school. Great, amazing. I'm okay with that. The next 8 hours after school, this will be only for me. Like, I will do what I want. Like, focus on business, working, whatever. I will not focus on anything after school, like anything related to studies or anything like that. I will only focus on my business, working, trying to do what I want to do simply for me. Okay, going to the gym if I want to go, all of that. So these 8 hours I'll focus on business, trying to work, get things done, and we have the next 8 hours will be for sleeping. As I said, I don't think that I'm gonna sleep 8 hours, so I'm gonna sleep simply when things are done. If I'm okay, things are done, nothing to do else, I'm gonna sleep. Whether it's 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, I don't care. Really, I don't care. Great. And I'm thinking of something. The school that I'm gonna go to is a technology-based school. So it's not, we have here in Egypt, like when it comes to high school, we don't have one type of high school. Like, when you finish middle school, you go to high school one time, like, you don't think about anything. But here in Egypt we have many kinds or many types of high school. There is one type which is the general one. Like, most of the students are going to without thinking. They finish middle school and they go to the general high school. Okay, like, we can say 80% of the students choose this one, the general one. But I don't like it because it's requires a lot of financial how to say it, like, financial like, I'll tell you, it's kinda requires a lot of money. Yeah, it requires a lot of money when it comes to paying to private lessons, things like that. So it requires a lot of money, and I don't like that. I don't like to spend all of that money on just things that I'm gonna benefit from in the future. So that's why I chose another option. Okay, this is a little bit better, not the best, but a little bit better when it comes to high school. This option is a technology based high school. So you're going to this high school, it's more technical stuff. You learn how to code, learn programming, networking, all of that stuff. So it's kind of technical. At least I'm gonna learn something. I'm gonna learn a skill, a technical skill. Better than just getting some like textbooks, scan it and go to the exams and put it, and that's it. You didn't benefit, you know. So this one is a little bit better, you know. You will go to learn something, a skill. So this is good. I'm with it. It's good. So this one is better than the general high school, and not many people know it. Like, I chose this one because of my ecosystem and my mindset. Like, my mindset and the way of thinking is I want to focus on my business, and this is the first priority for me. So going to this school will be better. Why? There is no private lessons. You don't need to take private lessons. You don't have to buy any external books to learn the subjects, all of that. But if you went to high school or the general high school, you need to spend money on all of that. So this one is better, you know, when it comes to financial situation, all of that. But not everything is complete. Like, you not get everything. As I said, this one is restricted. You must go. You must spend the 8 hours every single day. And yeah. So I'm thinking of, because of this school is a technology based school, so sometimes I think, I'm not sure, but I think we can bring our laptops to this school. Like, we can work on our laptops there. So I'm thinking of bringing my laptop when I'm in school, you know, to just, if I have an opportunity to get things done and do any work there, I will do it. Like, really, I will do it. If I have some free time, if I have, let's say, break, anything like that, if I have any opportunity to get some work done, I will have my laptop with me to do it, and I will not hesitate, you know. So yeah, but I just need something. I just need to buy a new laptop because my current one is like around I don't know, like around 5 kilograms. Really, 5 kilograms. It's an old one. So I need to buy a new one, a new light one, like ultra slim laptop, to just simply be comfortable when I'm going to school with it. It will not hurt my back. So yeah, of course I can't go to school with this one. I will not go with this one. I just need to buy a new one soon, inshallah. Maybe after getting my appointment setting, like money that I owe for appointment setting. So then I can buy a new one and go with it, inshallah, and do the work on it. So yeah, this is simply how I'm gonna manage my business and my school as well. When it comes to school, like, I forgot to say that, how I'm gonna get decent results in school, I'm gonna do the best. Like, I'll try as much as I can. I will not hurt myself. I will not do the best, but as much as I can. I'm in school. I will try to get things done in school when it comes to studies, get my homework done there, all of that. Try to understand or absorb as much information as I can, so I don't have to revision things when I'm home. So yeah, and I will see how it works. I don't know. Um, we will start school, I think, at the end of this month or the next month, I think. Yeah. I don't know. I'm kinda not nervous, but actually I'm interested. Like, it's interesting thing. I want to challenge myself and see how this work. You know, I love to challenge myself. So yeah, I don't think that I'm gonna be like an average person when it comes to school and studies there. But I don't know. I don't know. Like, we will see. We will see. So yeah, this is our today's video, and actually I'm thinking of another thing, which is recording some videos or YouTube videos in school, if I can, to show you how things is going on there and all of that. Like, I'll see. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace.